What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is JTFX, and if this is your first time on my channel, please do me a favor by subscribing to my YouTube channel, turning on the notification bell so that you will be the among first set of people to get notified when I post a new winning strategy. So in this tutorial, I'll be showing you a simple chart pattern on Boom 500 5 minutes chart. So in this thing, before I open the chart pattern, I want to show you is what we call head and shoulder, and let me spot it. It is simple support, and that is the confluences I enter the market. So take a look at this thing. Let me bold it, trader, please. Let me bold it. Two, and let me change the color. Yeah. So I'm using this thing as my support base. So any stop loss I'm setting will be around this area. Oh, traders, sorry, I've updated this thing and I need to fill in. So so where is shoulder? This is the shoulder. Sorry, this is the head. This is the shoulder and this is the shoulder. Let me show you. Head, shoulder, and shoulder. So in this thing, I expected that no, this is 5 minutes time frame. I won't be taking this thing. I won't be staying much longer on this thing. So the next place I expecting this price to reach before I move out of the trade is this side, and my stop loss should be below this shoulder. And so if you check the risk to reward ratio, and this thing is approximately 1:2 or something 3. So this thing I'm showing you, it is good. And let me set my TP because I just entered this trade to show you the reason why I entered it. And you can see the market is moving in my favor, and this is the smaller lot size I'm using. So I will be making at least, so this is the price target level. I'm going to set my TP there and my stop loss below this thing. So let me update you guys later. Hello traders, so I'm back on that trade, and as you can see, the trade has reached my TP level, the one I drawed here. So it has reached this thing. So let me quickly take the profit before we spark back and look at it. So imagine doing this thing steady and steady, catching 10 pips daily for small account grower and newbie in the market. Don't be greedy. Just take the part you got in and move out of the trade, man. So and if you are here and haven't subscribed, please do me a favor. Please, I'm begging you, do me a favor. Support me, motivate me to post more strategy by subscribing, turning on the notification bell, and also liking this video so that we go more viral to new base, and also share. So that is it for now. Thank you, and keep on smashing the market traders. So 10 pips daily. Imagine what you'll be making every 30 days, $300. So bye.